it's about 6:30 p.m. The sun's going down and it's time we got something to eat for dinner. We'll go to a place that I know that does some really nice meals. They're just up the road here, and see what we can get. Oh, I can pay wave. I eat here.
เสืออาจารย์มา1 อัน
Okay, so I've ordered fish and chips here, and I've had it here before, and it is really, really good. So they do a few things here. You can have a look at the menu on here. We've got some onion rings. Their pork is nice. It's not here and there's nothing in English, but there's some really nice fried pork. They do it for salad and chips as well, but as you can see, the fish and the chips are really nice. I've come out here a little bit early today because I don't want it to be too busy. Very hot today. Eh? It's very hot. It's good. Very good. It's good. Good. Okay. Good. I put this. Pretty good. All right. Shit. Very good. Okay. There we go. There we have it. Look at that. Fish chips, some gravy. We've got some salad there. Fantastic. And all in about 5 minutes. Really, really nice. And the price, waiting for the price. The price is 50 baht. That's all, 50 baht. There we go. All right, well, I'm gonna dig into this, and maybe the next picture you'll see will be an empty plate. All right, back shortly. Okay, it's coffee time. Let's go into 7-Eleven behind me and grab ourselves a nice 20 baht cup of coffee. All right, let's go. Okay.